Hey guys, Sean here, Beijing HBK from D Sweet Deals. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Poshmarks. What is Poshmarks? The basics of Poshmarks and some strategies on Poshmark. And if you stick around to the end, I will share with you my favorite tool that helps me make more sales on Poshmark. So if this is your first time here, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's go. All right, so Poshmark, what is Poshmark? Poshmark is a site where you can sell clothing. Women's clothes, men's clothes, kids' clothes. They just added home goods and also pets. They just added pets also where they have pet toys, pet supplies, things like that. When I first started reselling, I started with eBay and Poshmark at the same time, and they're two totally different platforms, two different ways of interacting. Posh was more exciting to me because with Posh, you have to be very active in Poshmark in order to get your listing sold and sell. They made the app where you have to constantly share your closet. That's what it's called, your Posh closet. You share your closet. You have to do followers. There's a lot of different strategies in order to start selling. It took a while, but it was fun. They have Posh parties. They have one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. And you have to constantly share your clothing to those parties. Sounds like a lot of work. It's time consuming, but it's fun because you're doing most of it through your mobile phone. You can do it through the computer too, but you can do majority of it through your mobile phone. So what are some strategies? You can share in the morning, share in the evening, share once a day. You can follow a lot of different subscribers and with hopes of them following you back so you can build up your following. My strategy when I first started, I was sharing every other hour. I didn't have a big closet at the time, so it was pretty easy. But once you get over 100 listings, sharing every hour is going to become much harder. A lot of people do have virtual assistants. They pay virtual assistants to share their closet for them. A lot of people use bots. Poshmark frowns on the use of Poshbots because it's like more of an unfair advantage if you have the bots constantly sharing your closet while others are manually sharing their closet, so it can be seen and things get sold earlier. And like I have a tool that I will share later on in this video with you guys so you can see how well it generates sales. All right, but let's take a look at Poshmark and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so the first page you see when you're on the computer online with Poshmark is the feed page. You'll see some of the people that you follow up top, and you'll see a list of things that they shared from their closet to all their followers or to any parties that was going on that they shared to. You'll see those in your feed. On the side, you'll see the different brands where you can choose if you want to look for Nikes, Levi's, any brand you want to look for. You can go through by brands, or you can go into the women's section, men's section, all the simple basics of a usual website that you will see. And then they will have the section for the parties. Like I said before, the parties are 3 times a day. So right now you have the morning party going on. They last for about an hour and a half. It shows who's hosting the parties. These are all Posh ambassadors. And after hitting certain milestones on Posh, you can become a Posh ambassador also. These are the upcoming parties. It gives you the time of the party. And basically, once the party started, you want to share to the party whatever the category is. So let's join this one. And you can click the party details, and it will basically give you all the brands that are allowed to be shared within this party. So it's good to share to at least one party a day. Share your closet to the party. Go ahead and share some of the other people in the party, share some of their products to your followers. The whole point of Poshmark is to be engaged in the platform. Up to the right hand side is your closet. You can click on your profile picture. You open up the closet. We're actually looking at my actual closet. And as you can see, I have 683 listings, over 24,000 shares, 63,000 followers. I'm following over 142,000. But that goes with time. And basically, you want to share from your closet, you just hit the share button here. And if it matches the Posh party, you can share it to the party, or you just click share to your followers. And it'll come up shared successful. Your news feed tell you who's following you. It gives you all the information that's going on with what you're doing in your closet. New followers, who's making offers, who declined offers, who made a bumble, who liked something in your closet. So it's a very active platform that you have to be engaged in, because there's no algorithm that's going to share your closet for you to make the sales. So you have to get in there and be active within the platform to make the sales. So that's just a basic rundown of how Poshmark runs. Now, as I stated before, I was going to share with you one of my favorite tools, and we're going to get to that next. All right, guys, as promised, I'm sharing with you this tool that I use to help grow my Poshmark business and increase my sales. It is Seller Insight, and I'm not affiliated with the company. I'm not being compensated for giving you information about this company at this time, but the company is such a great company with the app that they have. It just helps my business grow much quicker on Poshmark. Like there's no other app that I've seen so far that does what this company do. The company is called Seller Insight. It basically gives you all your bookkeeping of your sales, your inventory. It helps you to share. It sets goals. Well, let's just go through their site. Right now, they're only on iOS, on an Android version of this also. But as you can see on their website, it does sale analytics. It gives you a breakdown of all your inventory. It shows your inventory for the last 30 days. It gives you all your sales for the year. Let's let's go through this. It gives you live sales and data breakdown of your sales. Shows you all your live inventory. It shows you your most profitable brand, size, category, subcategories. I mean, this breaks it down for the full year. It also does the last 30 days. You can compare with this year's sales to last year's sales. How are you hitting your goals? It does a lot in one app. As you can see, it does inventory analytics. You can do inventory insight, showing what's the top 30 most liked, most comments, even the brands that you're getting the most profit on. And you can deep dive into your sales. Gives you the amount of items sold compared to last year, the average revenue you're making, and the total cost of the sold items. It's basically a bookkeeping for your Poshmark. Like, this is a game changer. It speeds up your relisting. It tells you about, it tells you basically how many listings you have over 60 days, and it has an option for you to relist those items that are over 60 days. And it moves very quickly. It's a lot of data in one app. All right, guys. So that was just a quick preview of Sales Insight. All right, that was just a quick breakdown of Poshmark and the Seller Insight tool. If you guys want more videos like this, just leave a comment in the comment box below. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, this is Sean, Page HBK from DC Deals. I'll catch you guys later.